My first Agros withdrawal was super fast. I mean, I received it in like 3 minutes. Now that's how I like it. What's up, good people? This is Anthony DeLoatch, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I'm going to be covering the withdrawal process for Agros. Now, you know I'm going to give you all the details, so I want you guys to watch the video all the way through. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, make sure you're in the Game Plan to 100 Grand group. That's where I put information. That's where there's the community. All of that stuff that you need is right in that group. If you want to be in there, then just go ahead in the description, click the link, and I will see you on the other side. All right, guys, let's get into this. Agros, you guys know I introduced this platform a little while back. It may have been a week or two ago. I'll link the original video in here, so you can actually click on that if you want to go check that out. Then a couple days ago, I did a video that was showing you guys how to enroll and fund your account. I will link that video here if you want to check that out as well. But today it's time for me to show you about the withdrawal process. I did my first withdrawal the other day. It was super fast. I was very impressed. I like withdrawals fast, right? That's just one of the things that, impresses me, is when the platform doesn't hold your money for a long time. So I'm gonna jump out on a limb this time. I don't know if it's going to work. The first time I did my withdrawal, it was kind of late at night. It went into pending, and then a minute later it went to approved, and then a minute later it was in my wallet. I like that, right? That's pretty cool to me. So I'm going to check that out now. I hope it does the same thing this time, but I can't say that it will. So let's jump right into the tutorial. When you come in here, you're in Agros, you're going to have this menu on the left side. Now, if you're on your phone, you may have to click this menu bar over here. They call it a sandwich bar, hamburger bar, that type of thing. You might have to click this in order to open up the menu if you're on your phone. But once you open up this menu on the left-hand side here, what you're going to want to do is click on withdrawal. They make it very simple. It's right there for you. So you just do that. So I'm going to click on withdrawal. I have some referral balance money. It's only $20 that's available for me to withdraw. Last time I did a withdrawal, I think it was like $15. This time it's like $20 that's available for me to withdraw. So that's what I'm going to do. So instead of being on main balance, I'm going to go to referral balance. Now, if that amount was available in your main balance, it would be listed right here. But it's not. It's actually my referral balance. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. And then I'm going to select the balance. I'm going to choose my referral balance. The currency that I want to use is USDT TRC20, so I'm going to leave that there. That's the only option that is showing right now for you to withdraw with. This specify the amount. I'm going to go ahead and do the 20 USD is what I'm going to withdraw. Then I'm going to get a withdrawal address to stick in here. Give me 1 second so I can get that withdrawal address so I can do this withdrawal here. All right, so I got my withdrawal address and I stuck it in here so we can withdraw this $20. I'm going to go ahead and click confirm here. Now, it is going to require for you to put in your 2FA, so you definitely want to go ahead and make sure that 2FA is set up for you as well so that you get that done. So I'm going to go ahead and click confirm. It didn't do the 2FA this time. I wonder why. Maybe because I already did my 2FA. All right, so I did that. So you see that it went to pending here, right? So it's now saying that the withdrawal is pending. And then what they do is they send you an email as well that's saying that you have a withdrawal request. So now I just received the email. So it says that I have the withdrawal request. And then once they approve the withdrawal, then you get an email saying that your withdrawal request was approved. So what I'm waiting on now is to see if they're going to go ahead and send it as quick as they did the other night. I don't know if there's a time frame difference that makes it a difference in the processing time of your withdrawal. So I'm just going to let this sit here and say pending. And if they do this, if they actually go ahead and approve this, then it'll go from pending to approved, and then I will have the funds and I will be able to let you guys know that we got that done. Okay, so the withdrawal did not come within 3 minutes like the last time. It did not come within like 5 minutes, but it's okay, right? The first time I got it super fast. It could have been the time that I did the withdrawal, but withdrawals are supposed to be processed within 24 hours. So I'm jumping the gun on when I'm expecting the withdrawal, but the first one that I received was like in 3 minutes, which was very impressive to me. So we're going to wait it out. I'll let you guys know. I'll come back on here and tell you how long it took me to get the second withdrawal, which is supposed to be within 24 hours. And you will see that on the presentation here. The presentation says that the fulfillment of a withdrawal request takes place within 24 hours. So I should receive it sometime before this time tomorrow. Okay. So that's when the withdrawal is supposed to be coming through, but you guys see how to place a withdrawal request in Agros right now. I will tell you guys, I went kind of light on this so far. I did a 250 debt slot. You can choose whatever you want to do. You know, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. I'm not the guru, right? Nothing should be considered as financial advice, but I'm just taking it slow as I'm getting used to the platform, getting more familiar with the platform. So if you want to do the same thing, feel free. You know, it's only 50 USD to actually get started, USDT to get started if you want to start this and test it out for yourself before you go in with any more. But always, guys, make sure you're using risk capital. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't put everything. Don't put the house in here, right? I want to tell you guys, don't do that. Just go use risk capital when you are participating with these platforms. When you're doing anything that's going to have any type of elevated risk, you just want to use risk capital for that, right? As always, guys, you know what we're going to do. We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We will only invest what we are willing to lose. And you know, we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day. And I am out. Peace.